I am going to attempt sharing how I have my suspension set up for my utility rover here. What I'm going to show is how this vehicle does this. I'll zoom out some so you can see it. What I'm doing to how I set this up is, if I go into the cave, I used a script called EasyAuto V2, and if you didn't notice the icon, this is a programmable block I named RM. I loaded the script into this programmable block, and right here, when you load the script in, it's going to say debug LCD, like this. I just changed it to RM because just to make things easier, and I have other programmable blocks on this vehicle doing other things that I didn't want to have in the same programmable block, so I just use this one for the suspension lift. So that's that. You can name this whatever you want, and I'll show you what to do with that later on. In a little bit you'll see. Check code successful, and then I will paste the script code in the description that I'm going to show you now, that's in the custom data of the programmable block that I named RM, which is again in this script code as the string for the script to look for in the custom data. So this is the script that I share, or the code block that I share. That's the whole thing from top to bottom. So you paste the script into your custom data of the programmable block, and then what you do is I went to my G menu and I looked for that programmable block, and there it is, and I right clicked and chose run, and then since the name is RM, I typed RM parenthesis, open parenthesis, and one of them's lower, and I'm not going to do this because I already have it down here in my thing, in my toolbar, and I named the other one RM raise. I'm going to cancel this, but you would want to do both of those in one of your toolbar action slots, or on a button, or some kind of thing that you can use a programmable block in the toolbar, and then you're all set. I hit 2 and it raises up because that's the raise command, I believe. No, it just says run. So I don't know which one's which, but with one of them's raise and one of them's RM parentheses raise close parentheses. One of them is lower. Hopefully you're following and getting what I mean. I don't know how well I'm explaining this, but I'm trying. And there you go. That's how I got the suspension to raise up and down nice and easy, instead of going crazy like some other scripts that do this cause. Well, there you go. Hope this helps someone. Happy engineering. Fun stuff.